Hi Sam. Today we're diving into a very useful word.
Ort.
Hi Alex. What does
Ort.
mean?
Ort.
Translates to place or location in English. It's commonly used when talking about where something is. Just be careful because it might confuse you with the English word ort, which doesn't exist.
Got it. Is
Ort.
a noun.
Yes, it is. The article is.
Der.
So we say.
Der Ort.
The plural form is.
Die Orte.
Which is quite common in everyday conversation.
So, can you use it in a sentence?
Sure. For example,
Der Ort ist schön.
means the place is beautiful. In the past, you might say.
Der Ort war schön.
And in perfect, you would say.
Der Ort ist schön gewesen.
That's interesting. Is there any other way to use it?
Yes. The imperative form is.
Sei am Ort.
Which translates to be at the place.
I see. Do you have any fun facts about the origin of
Ort.
Absolutely. The word
Ort.
comes from Old High German,
Ort.
which means place or point. It has retained a similar meaning throughout history, highlighting how essential location has been in human society.
That's fascinating. So how can we break it down?
Ort.
Is a single word, so we can't really split it into prefix, root, or suffix. But you can think of it as the basic building block for many other compound words.
Are there any similar words I should know?
Yes. For example, there's,
Standort.
which means location or site. Here
Stand.
means stand and
Ort.
means place. Another one is
Wohnort.
meaning place of residence.
What about other examples?
Sure. There's,
Aufenthaltsort.
which means place of stay. Then we have
Treffpunkt.
meaning meeting point, and
Heimatort.
meaning hometown. Also,
Geburtsort.
means place of birth, and
Urlaubsort.
means holiday destination.
That's a lot of useful words.
Yes, and they all follow the head last rule. The last noun determines the gender, which in these cases is still masculine since they all contain
Ort.
That makes sense. Can I practice using?
Ort.
In different situations.
Of course. Let's say you're at a travel agency. You could say,
Wo ist der nächste Ort zu besuchen?
which means where is the next place to visit?
Wo ist der nächste Ort zu besuchen?
Perfect. Now, imagine you're asking someone for their home. You can say,
Was ist dein Wohnort?
which means what is your place of residence?
Was ist dein Wohnort?
Great. Lastly, if you're in a conversation, you might ask,
Welcher Ort gefällt dir am besten?
meaning which place do you like the most?
Welcher Ort gefällt dir am besten?
Excellent. Now, let's talk about some hints for remembering the gender.
Sure, what do you have in mind?
Since
Ort.
is masculine and ends in T, you can remember that many masculine nouns in German end in T picture a strong man standing proudly at a specific.
Ort.
That's a nice image. Are there any common phrases I should know?
Yes, some typical collocations include
Am Ort sein.
meaning to be at the place,
Zum Ort gehen.
meaning to go to the place, and
Im Ort wohnen.
meaning to live in the place. Just remember to differentiate it from the similar words like
Art.
meaning kind or type.
I'll make sure to keep that in mind. Can you give me some example sentences with
Ort.
Sure. For instance,
Ich bin an einem schönen Ort.
means I am at a beautiful place. Another example is
Der Ort hat viele Sehenswürdigkeiten.
which translates to the place has many sights.
those are helpful.
Here's another one.
Wir haben einen neuen Ort gefunden.
Means we found a new place. Also,
Wo ist der nächste Ort für Essen?
means where is the nearest place for food.
I can see how useful this word is.
And don't forget, another example is
Mein Lieblingsort ist der Park.
which means my favorite place is the park.
Awesome.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What is the article for?
Ort.
It's
Der Ort.
Correct. And what's the plural form?
Die Orte.
Good job. Can you give me a sentence using
Ort.
in the past tense?
Der Ort war interessant.
Exactly. Now, what does
Standort.
mean?
It means location or site.
Right. And can you tell me a common phrase with
Ort.
Am Ort sein.
perfect? Lastly, what's the gender of
Ort.
It's masculine.
fantastic? You really grasped the concept of.
Ort.
Remember, it's a versatile word that can help you in many situations.
Thanks, Alex. I feel much more confident using it now.
That's great to hear. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature.